We know that solubility product SPK is 2 plus 2 sp2 9 2 to 2 9 2 to 10 2 to 5 1 to 4 5 1 to 4 5 CaCO2.5 10 moles L 2.5 10 moles L 25 10 moles L 5 10 moles L. Molar mass of CaCO1 28.097 G divided by mole mass of CaCO1 28.097 G divided by mole 5 10 moles L 640.4 10 0.0064 G XXXXXXXXXXX 131. Solubility of an MX2 type electrolyte is 0.5 times 10 to 4 mole divided by lit. Then Ksp of the electrolyte is A. 5 times 10 to 12, B. 25 times 10 to 10, C. 1 times 10 to 13, D. 5 times 10 to 13. The solubility product can be found as 2 plus 2 plus 2 sp2 sp3 sp mx m plus 2x K equals m x K equals x 2x K equals 4 times 3 4 sp. The answer is D.